So what I did to put the data in the graph, since I accidentally didn't read the directions right and didn't do a screen recording when I did it originally, so I would just type in the name and the national park. So I would look like Channel Islands National Park square miles. Yeah, it says it's 390, so I put in 390, and then I would just switch over to Death Valley National Park square miles. And I just went along like that, and I ultimately found all of the different national parks and I put them into this graph. And then I just made sure that the titles are right. California's national parks by size, square miles. I changed the settings so that there was a legend, because before there wasn't. So now there's a legend, and I have exactly where I want it, the axis and grid. Changed the text color. It was originally gray, but I wanted it to be black so it would stand out more, and I set it to individual colors. Then I just said update chart, and then my chart was right there.